In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Google Keep to grab image text from a photo. This past week, I was at a workshop and the presenter put up this image. I really wanted to take a look at the URL, but I was thinking, wow, it would be such a chore to type in all those characters at the bottom of the image to get the URL. So I started to think, what Google application do I have on my phone that could extract the text? And then it came to me, Google Keep. Google Keep has OCR, optical character recognition, which basically means it would act as a scanner right in my hand. So I went ahead and took two pictures, one so I could keep the original image, and then I could crop the other one down to just where the URL was. Then I'll just add the cropped picture to a Google Keep tile and then use the Grab Image Text function. Then I can just tap on the created URL and visit the link. Wow, Google Keep is so magical. So let's get started and take a look at how I did this. Okay, once you take your picture, then you'll go to Photos, go to Gallery, then you go down to the picture that you like. Then I'm going to edit the picture. I'm going to tap on Transform, and I'm going to zero in on the URLs that I'd like to grab in Google Keep in a little bit. Just get a little bit closer each time till it's about right. Slide over, that looks good. Then I'll hit the little check mark down here. I will save it. I will share it out to Google Keep. There's my favorite icon, Google Keep light bulb. I'll title it Google Keep Example. I'll hit save. Then I'll go down to here and view it. Now once you're in Google Keep, to grab the text, the image text, you're tapping on the image once. You're going to hit the snowman, as I call it, the top right-hand menu bar up here. Grab image text. There's the text. And then I just tap on either the bit.ly or the 5starphysed.com link. And then I can open it. And it takes me right to the phys ed or whatever website you'd like to go to. Thanks for watching.